Hey, you divine magical being. So, today I would like to share this insight about decision making. Do not make a decision based on your past, based on something, because of something that you did yesterday, you're going to take a decision today. What does that do? That keeps you stuck in the loop, of karma, and you are building on that same loop of karma and you're hardening your loop of karma. So when you have to get out of it, it's never impossible, but it's going to get even more difficult. How you would want to see your decision making and your life unfolding in the form of a spiral, not a loop, not a closed loop. You come to the end of that same decision making, but then you lift up in your consciousness, because in this now your consciousness has shifted into a higher state of being. But the decision back then in your past, when you had taken, your consciousness wasn't at the same place where it is now, right now. And now, with your awakened, heightened consciousness, if you say you are going to continue doing this because you had taken the decision then, or because you had decided that then, or because you had committed to something then, even though now you know better, even though now you know that wasn't the decision to be made in the highest order, and you still go ahead, you entrap yourself in the loop of that karma. Whereas the organic dance, the organic unfoldment of the spiral moving up, the ascension process, is now you do it anyways. You follow through to that call to action that has been downloaded from that awakened consciousness, and you move ahead with that new decision, with that new action, irrespective of what you did yesterday, or what you told a month ago, or what you had decided or announced to the world a year ago. Yeah, because now you know better and you will act on now, and that is the present of the every now moment that you receive. So go ahead, and it's okay that you did not know better then, but you know better now. So you're allowed to do what you got to do. And I love you. I love you. I truly love you. I truly love you.